what is the best tool to monitor for long-living birds?
For long-living birds, well, it depends. There are two aspects to consider. If you want to monitor the coccidia pressure or to detect subclinical or clinical coccidiosis. If you want to detect subclinical or clinical coccidiosis, when you need to check if there is a problem of growth or things like that. But if it's for monitoring the coccidia pressure, if it increases and if it may cause some problems, in that time, OPG could be a good tool, because if you find oocysts, it means that there are coccidia. And if you find large amounts of oocysts, it means that you have a larger risk to have problems, but only a risk. Maybe you won't have anything. So you can check if there is a pressure, and if this pressure increases. If it increases, maybe, yes, it's more dangerous, but we don't know. And with long-living birds, if birds are in contact with coccidia when they are young, they will develop some protective immunity. So the levels of oocysts in the flock, the pressure inside the building should be maintained at low levels. Depending on the species the birds will encounter, because the protective immunity and the induced immunity is species specific. So maybe during the first weeks, for example, for pullets, they may meet Acerulina, Eimeria tenella, and Eimeria maxima, which are the most frequent species. And you will have a decrease in the oocyst amount produced by the birds due to the development of immunity and efficient immunity. But rare species like Eimeria necatrix and Eimeria brunetti, they can occur and they can grow at greater ages. Most of the time it's said that they occur after 8 weeks of age, but sometimes it may occur at any time. 2 weeks ago, I had a clinical outbreaks with brunetti, and the birds were only 3 weeks old. So it's strange, but it occurred, and we could make sure with the description of the oocyst, the size and the shape of the oocyst, is sure it was brunetti, and the lesions were in accordance with the occurrence of these parasites. So I think to follow and to monitor, OPG is a tool that gives you some information concerning the pressure. But as you don't know which are the species when you observe the oocysts, you are never sure.
Thank you.